Hello and welcome to the 2025 Massachusetts Farmers Market Nutrition Program annual training for elder nutrition programs and their distribution partners. My name is Jennifer Donnelly, and I'll be leading you through this training. Our agenda will be to review any update to program materials, and then we'll talk a bit about the background of the program itself. I'll also cover administering the coupon program, administering the homebound program, an overview of civil rights compliance, and we'll discuss any new initiatives and updates for the 2025 season. The following administrative flexibilities are available for the coupon program: mailing coupons and nutrition education to participants. Coupon booklets should be provided on a first-come, first-served basis. Signatures for program materials and forms may be obtained electronically, and the use of a proxy is encouraged for those individuals who are unable to attend a distribution event. For elder nutrition programs, their contracts will be emailed to their agency's contract contact in late May, early June. The contracts must be signed by both parties, the Massachusetts Department of Agricultural Resources and the Elder Nutrition Program, before any coupon and homebound distribution can begin. In late June, early July, all of the elder nutrition programs will receive their shipment of coupon booklets, their senior farmers market nutrition program magazines, and printed listings of all the locations across Massachusetts where participants may use their coupon booklets. It is important to note that every participant who receives a coupon booklet must also be handed the listing of locations where to use coupons and the senior magazine with nutrition education. This year, UMass Nutrition Extension Program has designed and printed the senior magazine. Each participant will receive this, and unfortunately, this year, due to funding, we are only able to provide the magazine in English. Now I'll go over the location information for where coupons may be utilized. All of our elder nutrition programs will receive printed copies of the regional market and farm stand listing across Massachusetts. They will provide those listings to their distribution partners to give to participants. It is important to note that the regional market listing has all of our certified farmers markets, certified farm stands, and certified mobile markets as of the beginning of June. However, MDAR does certify and enroll farmers markets and farm stands in the program throughout the season. So we always encourage you to utilize the Mass-Grown site and tell your participants as well to use that to find an updated listing of all of our certified farmers markets and farm stands as we add additional ones throughout the season. When our elder nutrition programs and their partners review the regional market listing that we provide, if you notice that a farmer's market or farm stand that had previously been listed in the program is omitted from the list, do not add them. Please contact myself, Jennifer Donnelly, and that way I can confirm for you if the farmer's market or farm stand is still participating or not. This year, we've had to recertify all of the farmers markets in our program, and there are a few that did not renew their certification. This year, on each of our coupons on the front, you'll notice a QR code. The QR code, when scanned by an individual, will direct them to the Mass-Grown site, and the site will automatically be populated for them with the WIC and senior coupon designation. So an individual can then put in their zip code, and it will bring up all of the farmers markets and farm stands that are certified for our program within a radius that the individual requests. We also would encourage you to tell participants to visit websites of the farmers markets and farm stands that they're interested in shopping at, and that those who have SNAP, that they could use the DTA finder also to help them locate places where they can utilize their Healthy Incentives Program benefits as well. And as a reminder, the Senior Farmers Market Nutrition Program coupons are not eligible to be used in a grocery store. Now for some background on the program. The Senior Farmers Market Nutrition Program is funded by the USDA through the Farm Bill. In Massachusetts, our program is coordinated with the Executive Office of Aging and Independence. This season, eligible older adults will receive $25 worth of coupons that can be used for locally grown fresh fruits and vegetables, fresh cut herbs, and honey. The mission of the Senior Farmers Market Nutrition Program is twofold: to provide low-income participants with fresh and nutritious fruits and vegetables, and to support Massachusetts farms and farmers markets. Now we'll dive into administering the coupon program. So all of our elder nutrition programs were provided with the 2025 guidelines for the program. At the elder nutrition programs, their staff will assign a coupon coordinator who has the overall responsibility for the program. The coupon coordinator then must train and oversee coupon distributors who issue coupons to recipients. So if an agency is working with local senior centers and housing authorities, etc., this coupon coordinator must train those individuals who will be dispersing the coupon booklets. For those that will be distributing the coupon booklets, it's important to know that the eligibility requirements are individuals who are 60 years or older, or disabled and living in housing facilities primarily occupied by older individuals where congregate nutrition services are provided. Individuals also must have a household income at or below 185% of the federal poverty line. The coupon booklet cover sheet has a self-declaration form. This is also available in multiple languages. Your program contact at your elder nutrition program will receive translated copies of the coupon cover sheet, which they can then use to provide to you if you happen to need that. When an individual comes to receive a coupon booklet, the staff at the distribution event must verbally explain to the individual what they are signing and go through the parts of the booklet with them verbally. It is optional to request proof of residency in the service area of the elder nutrition program. If an elder nutrition program does require proof of residency to receive a coupon booklet, then that needs to apply to all potential participants. Again, this is optional. At coupon distribution events, coupons are issued on a first-come, first-served basis only. It is important to conduct outreach to ensure that you are providing equitable distribution of coupons, and materials must contain the full non-discrimination statement. So that means flyers, newsletters, ads that you may put out to publicize a coupon distribution event at your senior center or other location must also have the entire non-discrimination statement along with that information. At distribution event sites, the And Justice for All poster must be displayed when coupons are being distributed. If you are a partner to an elder nutrition program and will be holding a distribution event and you do not have an And Justice for All poster, please follow up with your program contact at the elder nutrition program you work with. The coupon booklet this year is valued at $25. There will be 5 coupons, each valued at $5. Applicants must receive a complete booklet. You are not allowed to split booklets, and no applicant may receive more than one booklet, as distribution is by individual and not household. Coupons this year are green for senior coupons, and they will expire October 31st, 2025. Please make sure to explain to every participant that any coupons that they have remaining after October 31st must be discarded, as they will not be able to utilize those coupons next season. No change can be given for coupon purchases, and coupons can only be redeemed at certified locations with certified farmers. Coupons may be redeemed only for locally grown fresh fruits and vegetables, fresh cut herbs, and unprocessed honey. When issuing the coupon booklets, the self-declaration or cover sheet must be signed by the participant. The distribution site will then collect all of those and provide those cover sheets to the elder nutrition program they work with. The elder nutrition program must maintain those cover sheets on file for 3 years. Any proxy form that is used must be attached to the cover sheet if that's applicable. Coupons are only allowed to be distributed once an elder nutrition program agency has received back from MDAR a copy of the co-signed contract. Agencies and their distribution partners have until September 30th of 2025 to distribute all coupon booklets and homebound distribution for the 2025 season. A notice of ineligibility must be completed for any applicants who are found to be ineligible for the program. Translated versions of the notice of ineligibility will be sent to program contacts after contracts are signed and will be provided to distribution partners as needed. Distribution partners must maintain a wait list for individuals in need of a coupon booklet after all program benefits have been allocated. In the event that additional funding becomes available later in the season, your elder nutrition partner will work with their distribution agencies to serve people on a wait list. Information that coupon recipients will receive will include the senior magazine, which will have instructions on how they'll redeem coupons, nutrition education with a produce spotlight, a list of farmers markets that will be provided separately, and then additional resources are also included in that magazine. Usually the magazine is translated into multiple languages and provided on request in those languages. However, due to funding this season, the magazine will only be printed in English. All of our elder nutrition partners have received a coupon instruction sheet on how coupons are to be used, and that has been translated into multiple languages. Your elder nutrition program partners should provide those instruction sheets to you. If your organization has coupon booklets that remain undistributed, what should you do with them? As we said, all coupons must be issued before September 30th. Nothing can be issued after September 30th of this year. Any coupon booklets that you have that are not distributed, please return to your elder nutrition program partner as soon as possible. The elder nutrition program partner then must mark void on the face of each undistributed coupon and must send all undistributed coupons to MDAR along with their tally sheets by November 15th of 2025. The elder nutrition programs should also keep an account of all itemized administrative costs, as agencies receive 50 cents per elder to administer the coupon program and receive $1 per elder to administer the homebound program. All records on administrative costs must be kept on file for 3 years, and records with participant information should always be kept in a secure location to ensure confidentiality. Elder nutrition programs must provide invoices for any program expenses to MDAR by November 15th, 2025. Coupon security is very important, so elder nutrition programs and their distribution partners must always keep their coupons in a secure location. It is also important to share with applicable agency staff about when coupons should arrive and where they should be kept. Distribution partners or agencies who collaborate on distribution events are responsible for also securing coupons at their site. Your elder nutrition programs are also responsible for training their distribution partners on how to administer the program and how to securely keep coupon booklets. Elder nutrition agencies who provide coupon booklets to be distributed to senior centers, etc., should keep careful records of the quantities that they provide to each partner agency and partner contact information as well. We at MDAR will be planning to attend a few coupon distribution events this season as our schedule permits, and we'll be reaching out with elder nutrition programs to coordinate those. Once all coupon booklets have been distributed, agencies should complete a manual count of their receipts to see how many they have distributed. Now we'll cover the program evaluation and enforcement of guidelines. So once all coupon booklets have been distributed, agencies will do a manual count of their receipts and then report out on the number distributed at the end of the season. So if you are a partner to an elder nutrition program, you will need to provide them with those coupon cover sheets as soon as your distribution event is completed. So that way they can perform that tally. Our elder nutrition program agencies are monitored every other year for compliance with the program guidelines, and MDAR staff will be in touch with agencies who need to have a monitoring meeting in 2025 later in the season. Now that we've completed the coupon, administration will review administering the homebound program. So all agencies that participate in the homebound program receive the 2025 guidelines for review. The purpose of the homebound program is to provide locally grown produce to homebound older adults who are not able to get to the farmer's market. Their benefit is the same as the coupon program. They will receive $25 worth of locally grown fresh fruits and vegetables, fresh cut herbs, and or locally harvested honey. To be eligible for this program, an older adult must be at least 60 years of age, homebound, or participating in a brown bag program, and they must sign a declaration that they meet the age and income requirements. Elder nutrition programs are also asked to make sure that their selection of homebound elders is fair and equitable. Those that participate and receive the elder nutrition agencies that participate in the homebound program must also sign a receipt of produce or bulk purchase form, which the agency must then maintain on file for 3 years. MDAR will provide a list of all certified farmers in our program, and you must select a certified farmer to make your purchase for the homebound program and keep record of that for 3 years. You will also, elder nutrition programs will also use the notice of ineligibility if a homebound applicant is found to be ineligible. And again, this form is available in multiple languages if needed. Agencies are also asked to maintain a waiting list of individuals in need of a homebound benefit in the case where additional funding may become available later in the season. Distribution requirements for the homebound program are that the elder nutrition program must maintain a list of participants, including their name and address, and this must be kept in a secure location. All individuals who receive a homebound distribution must also be provided with a senior magazine or online nutrition education. Arranging for the purchase of produce with farmers. Agencies can work, as I said, only with certified farmers, and we provide that list to you. The farmer agency agreement will document all of your food costs, and you'll need to keep that as you will provide that to us at the end of the season. Again, reimbursement funds can only be provided for food costs, and keep an accurate account of all itemized administrative costs. Agencies will receive $1 per older adult to administer the homebound program. Now we'll cover our civil rights compliance. And we do ask that our elder nutrition programs and their partners refer to the Civil Rights Manual provided by the USDA for a complete outline. It is important to note that this season, we are still awaiting some guidance from the USDA on some matters. And if anything changes or we need to update, we will provide that information as soon as we receive further guidance. When our elder nutrition programs sign their contract, they are assuring that they will be following the civil rights guidelines provided in the contract. Training is done annually for all staff involved in the program, including volunteers, as this training video that we have recorded it suffices as your training. As stated, should any information provided in this training change after the recording, we will communicate any updates with elder nutrition programs and their partners as soon as possible. As discussed earlier in the training, any outreach documents, flyers, postings, etc., anything for program participants must contain the full USDA non-discrimination statement. The Injustice for All poster must also be posted at all distribution sites when an event is occurring. This slide shows the full non-discrimination statement that must be included on your materials. Data collection is done on the coupon cover sheets and the homebound receipt of produce, as it contains optional areas for people to list racial and ethnic data. These program records must be maintained for 3 years in a secure location to ensure confidentiality. If an individual is unable to provide that information, a self-identification or visual assessment is fine. If there is a civil rights complaint that occurs with a program participant, we would ask that you inform MDAR within 5 business days of your agency receiving the complaint. The steps listed here on the slide are the steps we would ask that you follow when providing information to us. By gathering the name and address and phone number of the complainant, the location and name of the organization where the alleged incident occurred, nature of the incident or action, names, titles, and business addresses of those who may have knowledge of the discriminatory action, the dates of when this occurred, and the basis for the alleged discrimination. Limited English proficiency, elder nutrition programs, and their partners must take reasonable steps to assure meaningful access to their programs and activities by those who identify as having limited English proficiency. We do provide translated materials explaining how to use the coupon booklets, and those instructions are made available to your elder nutrition program contacts and also to farmers market managers, which that can be useful. You can also provide that to the individual coupon participants who need that. Verification of citizenship or immigration status should never give rise to discrimination. We do not cover that in ask for that in this program. Accessibility, elder nutrition programs must ensure physical accessibility for buildings and facilities, particularly to those in wheelchairs and with mobility disabilities. All customers should be treated with dignity and respect, and conflicts, if they arise, should be resolved. If there is a conflict that arises that is civil rights related, you would want to reach out to MDAR within 5 business days so we can work with you to come to a resolution on that situation if it occurs. All elder nutrition programs are monitored every other year, and we will review compliance with civil rights requirements and regulations at those monitoring visits. If there are civil rights related concerns that are identified and will be needed and will need to be addressed, we will work with you to address any issues or concerns. Now we'll quickly cover the new initiatives and updates for 2025. As mentioned earlier in this training, a QR code will be on the front of all coupons this season for participants to scan, to then be directed to our Mass Grown site, linked with the WIC and Senior Nutrition Program designations, so they can search for locations where they can use their benefit. Also this season, we will be looking to observe a few coupon distribution events, and we'll be looking to do this going forward. So we will get in touch with elder nutrition programs in the coming weeks to schedule some of those distribution event observations. If you're an elder nutrition program or if you're a local coupon distribution site and have questions on the program, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information listed for you here on the screen. Thanks very much, and I hope you have a good season.